everyone, it's Mia.
Hi friends, I'm Arty.
Today we draw the letters A, B, and C.
Yeah, let's start.
First, I'm drawing a big A.
Wow, big A.
Now I'm drawing a small A.
Cute little A.
Our letter A is still white. Arty, can you help me?
Of course, Arty magic time. Let's use my xylophone. Look, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, purple. Ta-da!
Wow, rainbow letter A. Thank you, Arty. Now let's draw pictures. First, I'm drawing an ant.
Ant is strong.
Yes, strong ant. Shh, it's sleeping now. Next, I'm drawing an airplane.
Airplane can fly.
Whoosh! Now I'm drawing an apple.
Apple is yummy.
I love apples. Here's an avocado.
Avocado is healthy
And cute.
and sleepy. Ha ha.
Shh. Now I'm drawing an astronaut.
Astronaut goes to space.
Space is so big.
Yeah, I want to fly there.
And finally, an angel.
Angel is so sweet,
Angel has wings.
so cute. Wow, Mia, your pictures are so beautiful.
Thank you, Arty. Now, color time.
My favorite time, xylophone magic. Ding ding.
Let's start with the apple and the avocado. The apple has a little stem. What color is it?
Brown.
Avocado has a seed. What color is it, Arty?
It's also brown.
What color is the avocado, Arty?
It's green. Oh, look. Good morning, avocado.
Hi. What color is the leaf?
Green too.
What color is the apple, Arty?
It's red.
Oh, look. The apple opened its eyes.
Ha ha, it's dancing. Dance, dance.
So funny. Now, let's color the ant.
It's orange.
Yes. Oh, wow. Ant opened its eyes.
Look, it sees the apple.
The apple is scared.
Put it back. Put it back.
Phew, the apple is safe.
Good job, ant.
Good job. Now it's time for the angel.
The halo is yellow. And the hair is brown.
And the wings.
Blue. And cute pink cheeks.
Look, the wings are moving.
Wow, Angel is flying up a little.
So magical. Let's color the airplane. What color is the airplane, Arty?
It's blue. Windows are light blue. And red little details.
Look, it's flying.
Whee! Circle, circle, circle.
Now the astronaut. What if I press the button? Oh, look, astronaut is floating.
Zero gravity.
Look at our beautiful letter A and A pictures.
So colorful. A, A, A.
Ant, airplane, apple, avocado, astronaut, angel.
Wow, so beautiful.
Great job, everyone. Now we're moving to the letter
B, B, B.
First, I'm drawing a big B.
Wow, big B.
Now I'm drawing a small b.
Cute little bee.
Our letter B is is still white. Arty, can you help me?
Of course, xylophone magic. Whee! Look! Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, purple.
Wow, rainbow letter B.
Ta-da!
Thank you, Arty. Now let's draw bee pictures. First, I'm drawing a bee.
Bee says buzz buzz. So tiny and cute.
Next, I'm drawing a ball.
Beach ball.
Big and round. Now I'm drawing a balloon. Next, I am drawing a boy. I start with the letter U for the head
U.
and the letter H for the body.
H. Wow, so simple.
Now I'm drawing broccoli. Broccoli is sleeping. Shh.
Sleepy broccoli. Oh, it looks like a heart.
No, it's a bird. A sleeping bird.
Shh, sleeping bird? Wow, Mia, your pictures are so beautiful.
Thank you, Arty. Now, color time.
My favorite time. Xylophone magic.
What color is the broccoli, Arty?
Green.
Oh, look, broccoli opened its eyes.
Haha, it's dancing.
Dance, broccoli. So funny. Now the bird. What color are the wings?
Red.
And the head?
Blue.
The beak?
Orange.
And the tail?
Orange too.
Oh, the bird woke up.
It sees the broccoli.
Oh no, broccoli is crying.
Oops, sorry.
What color is the balloon, Arty?
What color do you like, Mia?
I like pink.
The balloon is pink.
So cute, thank you. Now the bee.
It's yellow.
And the wings?
Light blue.
Look! Bee popped the balloon.
Oh no.
Good job, Bee. Let's color the beach ball.
Red, blue, yellow.
So colorful. Now the boy.
Let's make the shoes and the t-shirt orange.
Okay, and the shorts?
Purple,
Hair?
brown,
Oh, look, the ball is falling.
catch. So fun.
Look at our beautiful letter B and B pictures.
So colorful.
B, ball, balloon, boy, broccoli, bird.
B, B, B.
Good job. What letter is next, Arty?
Letter C, C, C.
First, I'm drawing a big C.
Wow, big C.
Now I'm drawing a small c.
Cute little C.
Our letter C is still white. Arty, can you help me?
Of course. Arty magic time. Let's use my xylophone. Look, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, purple. Ta-da!
Wow, rainbow letter C. Thank you, Arty. Now let's draw C pictures. First, I'm drawing a cat. I start with the head and the ears. Now the paws and the body. Let's draw a long tail and a cute face. Do you like cats, Arty?
Yes, I do. The cat says meow.
Next, I'm drawing a car. I start with a small cross. Now 2 wheels and the car body.
I have a toy car.
Oh, really? What color is it?
It's red.
Cool. Next, I'm drawing a crab. The body is oval. Now the claws. And the legs.
Ha ha! Funny crab!
Next, I start with a semicircle for the body. Now the head, the tail and the legs.
Oh! It's a chicken!
Yes, the chicken is sleeping now.
Shh!
Here is a carrot.
The carrot grows in the ground.
Bunnies love carrots.
Yum yum!
And finally, I'm drawing a cake.
I love cakes.
Me too. And a candle on top.
Someone has a birthday today. Wow, Mia, your pictures are so beautiful.
Thank you, Arty. Now, color time.
My favorite time, xylophone magic. Ding ding!
Let's start with the carrot. What color is the carrot, Arty?
Orange.
And the leaves?
Green.
Oh, look! The carrot opened its eyes.
Wow! It's exercising. The carrot is so healthy.
Now the chicken. What color is the comb and under the beak?
Red.
And the beak?
Orange.
Look, the chicken woke up.
Hello, chicken.
Let's color the crab.
The crab is red.
Oh, look! The crab is moving.
Oops, sorry.
Now the car.
The wheels are black.
And the windows?
Light blue.
The lights?
Red and yellow.
And the car?
Blue. Beep, beep.
Let's color the cake.
It's purple. And pink.
And the candle.
Orange.
Now the cat. It's orange.
And brown.
It's for you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
cat.
Make a wish.
Yay!
Yay!
Look at our beautiful letter C and C pictures.
So colorful.
Cat. Car. Crab. Chicken. Carrot. Cake.
See, see, see. Great job, everyone.
See you next video.
Bye-bye.